Evernote is a web-based application where you can take notes via any device. All you have to do is log in with your Google account. Once you're in, you can either make new notes, such as this one where I had grocery. You can either make a list by adding bulletproof points, milk, or whatever else you need. You can either add a reminder if you have it on your phone. You can add a reminder while you're on and about, except for tomorrow at 9 a.m. And they'll give a reminder tomorrow at 9 a.m. You can also make new templates. I have a budget. Here I should add a new note, a template, and you can just look for a budget, but I already have over here. And you can see here the month, how much I want to save. This is how much I have to start in the month, and this is how much this is how much I got in the end, I guess you can say. Here's all my expenses. It's a pretty fun web app. I chose it because I could use the notes taking, because I always forget stuff to use. And my goal was to show new ways of taking notes, how many ways apps there are. And this, especially this one, because it's really nice and it's free. So I really appreciate that. And this can add tags to your notes in case you need to look for them. Like this is the grocery note, you can add a tag of whatever, reminder tags. I can also remind this one to be a reminder tag. Reminder, whatever. That's actually not gonna work because I have everything. Reminder. And then we just look for a note, you can add a filter and be reminder. Yep, here it is. Yeah, that's all for me. Thank you guys.